Brian Bogner here with Parallel Financial, and I want to tell you about our Spark financial planning process. If you know anything about us at Parallel, we always have a process or a system for everything that we do because it keeps our emotions out of it and it keeps us on track to what we need to accomplish. So for financial planning, through our 20-year career, we created and refined a system, and it's called the Spark planning process. So SPARK. And what does that mean? All right. So the S stands for simplify, because the first thing that we have seen when it comes to money is that it's very complex. The industry actually makes it complex because it's just how a lot of people do things to either charge more in fees or things like that. There's bad apples in our industry. So what we try to do is let's simplify things for you, okay? Let's give you some tools and some software and some even things on your phone that you can know where you're at, know your financial picture, know where you're at today, and really simplify things and make it easy to understand. The P stands for protect, okay? And so this is the insurance side of the financial planning process. And so what we do is we take a deep dive and really make sure, are you protected? Okay, all this hard work that you're doing and creating wealth for your family, is it protected in a way that if God forbid something happens to you, you're still gonna be okay? So the next step is the P. A is accelerate, all right? And accelerate really comes down to two things. It comes down to how you're growing your money. How are you invested? Are you invested in the right things? And also from a tax standpoint, are you taking advantage of all the things that you can to minimize your tax burden? So in a sense, are you accelerating your money to do what? To reach your goals, okay? And so for this part of the process, this is where we actually create that roadmap for you, okay? Here's where you're at today. Here's where you want to be. Here's the things you want to accomplish in between. We create a roadmap for you. We stress test it. We actually look at it, what if this happens or that happens or all these other things to see, are we going to hit the goals that you want to hit and live the life that you want to live? And then lastly, the K, we educate. The K stands for knowledge, okay? Because even though we're going through this process, we spend a lot of time educating you on how to make wise financial decisions. So Spark, we're going to simplify, protect, accelerate, reach your goals, and knowledge. If you'd like to learn how the Spark financial planning process can apply to you, then just give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd be happy to talk to you about it. Thanks so much for listening.